Hi everybody, Erin here. I have some exciting news for you, and I thought I would just show up in person to let you all know what's going on. Have a look at this. So I've got 3 workshops now announced for 2019 in Death Valley National Park. The first of them starts on February 28th, and this is another one of the Canon EOS destination workshops. Now all camera brands are welcome. You can shoot anything you like. The cool thing about this is that Canon gives me a support team in the field. So I'll have an assistant in the field as well as a technical specialist, and they bring all of this amazing gear along for the participants to play with. This is all pro gear. You're looking at about 120K of goodies right there, and you're allowed to check it out for the duration of the workshop and use it and see what you think. Some of these lenses can be mounted to other camera bodies if you have your adapter with you. If you want to play with a Canon camera body, those are available as well. And I'm also going to be doing indoor seminars at all 3 of these workshops that I'm telling you about today. So this is one that I did just this year in March in Death Valley, and that's sort of what it looks like. But we are going to be going to some really spectacular locations on all of these, and the whole idea, of course, is to make sure that everyone gets a whole lot out of the workshop. So the seminars are a big part of that. Now, these are not just post-processing seminars. I have those too. These include also seminars on composition and creativity, but just wait, that's not all. There's more to it. I'm also working in collaboration with 2 of my favorite landscape photographers in the world, Alexander Deschamps and Michael Shainblum. And I'm really excited to be able to work with both of them again. And let's see what we've got going for that. So here in March, starting on the 4th, is a 6-day workshop with Alexander Deschamps. Alexander is flying out from France to do this. This will be his first workshop in the United States. He's been here before shooting, of course, but this will be his first workshop here. I've wanted for a long time to bring him out for something amazing because we enjoy teaching together, and we knew that this would just be incredible. And so yeah, he's coming, and there are still a couple of spots left in that one. I actually announced that to an early notification list, and most of the spots went very quickly, but there are a couple left. And I'm just now letting everyone know the Death Valley and Eastern Sierra Extended Edition workshop is with Michael Shainblum, and that starts on March 11th. And that one, it covers a lot of ground, both geographically and creatively. So we will be going all through Death Valley National Park and also up into the Eastern Sierra to a bunch of locations that will bring an enormous amount of variety to this workshop. And speaking of variety, in this workshop, we're also going to be focusing on things such as night sky photography and time-lapse photography and storytelling. It's a longer workshop of 9 days, so there's more time for us to do all of this. And that is going to be a pretty spectacular 9 days of your life if you want to come and join us. And this also will have indoor seminars. There's Michael teaching one on time-lapse the last time that we did a workshop out there. So this is going to be a really amazing series of 3 sessions out in the Death Valley area. And I hope that if you're interested, that you can grab one of these spots while they're still left. I hope to see you there.